Number 9, and the cops getting called to a Walmart in Porter Ranch, California because a woman pepper sprayed customers, including children, over an Xbox 360.
Apparently there was so much mayhem after she pepper sprayed even children inside the store trying to get to this Xbox 360 that they didn't know who did what, and she was able to get to the register.
At number 8, discount phones turned Walmart into the mosh pit at Warped Tour. To number 7, and Black